This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking scope and tools, pick 3 core features and a simple user flow because clarity avoids scope creep. Once chosen, select a stack that matches team skill, React versus Svelte Node, JS versus Deno, Postgres versus SQLite. Then initialize the repository. Git init, create a README, add a basic CI pipeline, and commit message conventions. Do this now. Having these foundations lets you build predictably and prevents wasted refactors later. You now implement the core, scaffold the UI, and wire the API routes to concrete data models because structure reduces bugs. Once routing works, add authentication, input validation, and consistent error handling. These protect users and your app. Write unit and integration tests for critical paths. Tests catch regressions. Use feature branches, enforce code review, and enable automated linting. This keeps quality high while you iterate quickly. Make sure to merge frequently to avoid large rebases. You finalize by preparing a production build, setting environment variables, and running database migrations in a staging environment first. Deploy via CI/CD, run smoke tests, and monitor logs and metrics for performance and errors. Once live, confirm feature flows and user permissions. If something fails, use your rollback plan. Common fixes include incorrect env values, CORS issues, or migration order problems. If needed, revert, patch the migration, and redeploy. This minimizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.